how do you find or how do you check whether your laptop or computer is using an SSD or HDD, that is hard drive disk, for storage. Now SSD stands for solid state disk, while HDD stands for hard drive disk. Finding out the kind of storage you have on your computer is much important because it affects the speed and also the storage size. Now to find out whether you are using SSD or HDD, all you need to do is to press the Windows button on your keyboard together with the letter R. And this will open up this window. Go ahead and type in these letters D, F, R, G, U, I, and then tap on Enter on your keyboard. As you can see here, I have a hard drive disk on my computer. The other one is a removable drive, but the one under drive C, as you can see here, it is a hard disk drive. In case you are using an SSD, in place of hard disk drive, it will be written solid state disk. So that's how you find out, or that's how you check if you're using SSD or HDD on your laptop or computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.